Welcome to the Daily Insights that matter. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the 14th edition of Asia's largest aero show, the Aero India 2023. The Aero Show is a massive event that happens every 2 years and is organized by the Defence Exhibition Organization and the Ministry of Defence. The Aero Show is an opportunity for the aviation industry to showcase its capabilities, products and services. The purpose behind the Aero Show is entertainment, promotion of aviation, the latest advancements in the sector, followed by economic benefits and lastly, national pride. This year's Aero Show was built on the theme, the runway to a billion opportunities. Prime Minister Modi stressed on the fact that India aims to take defense exports to $5 billion by the year 24-25 and is on the fast lane to join the defense producing countries. In the recently announced Union Budget, Finance Minister also allocated the highest funds to the Ministry of Defence, making it the top priority for India to grow towards its defence capability. This year's Aero Show witnessed the participation of 800 plus defence companies, both domestic and international. With several delegates from almost 100 countries and top CEOs, this year's show has broken all old records. Officials said around 250 business-to-business agreements are expected to be firmed up at the Aero India, which is estimated to unlock investment up to the tune of Rs 75,000 crore. Prime Minister Modi also added a mantra which goes by reform, perform and transform. The event will also help in integrating domestic MSMEs and startups in the global supply chain and attract foreign investments, including partnership for co-development and co-production. The Aero Show 2023 is not only a show but a platform to show India's strength. The focus was laid on the Indian defense industry and self-confidence to be on par with defense producing countries. India, which was the biggest defense importer for decades, is now exporting to 75 countries. With this, India plans to be a potential defense partner rather than a defense market for other companies. In this current geopolitical environment, it is the need of the hour for India to progress and grow in the defense space. After easing in the last 2 months of 2022, the CPI retail inflation for India has hit a 3-month high of 6.52%. January's reading has gone above the RBI's tolerance level of 6% after easing towards the end of last year. Let's discuss this. India's inflation hit a 3-month high, clocking in at 6.52% after easing in the months of November and December. While it was perceived that retail inflation is well within the tolerance band of 6%, and after which RBI raised the policy repo rate by 25 basis points to 6.5%, this month's reading has surprised everyone. When we look at the breakup of the inflation data, it shows that the rise was attributed to an increase predominantly in the food inflation, with a major chunk coming from cereal prices. However, the inflation declined for vegetables but spiked in spices. Core inflation still remains elevated, which excludes volatile components such as food and oil prices. Clothing, fuel, light and miscellaneous items all have seen an uptick. Inflation in India saw an uptick in the month of January on the back of a rise in food inflation, which comprises about 40% of the CPI basket. Core inflation also remains sticky as due to the ongoing pass-through of higher input costs by producers amid demand for services. So what does all of these news mean for you? The Aero Show will make India an attractive destination for investment in the defense manufacturing sector, also realizing the goal for Make in India and Make for the World, thereby becoming one of the leading exporters of defense products backed by favorable economic policies. This will have an indirect positive impact on you. The overall increase in prices has caused a shrinkage in disposable income of the households, which is impacting the purchasing power of individuals. RBI might remain cautious given the core inflation still remains elevated. This will have an indirect neutral impact on you. So while I say this is me, Rahul Hassan, signing off. Take care and have a great day.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app Informed Investor to watch more such informative and interesting videos.